बिलां बुडयतल्यांचेर दोन दोन ओटीएसांनी येणावळ बुडवण जाली. आतां कोविडांतल्यान भायर सरतल्या गोंयकारांचेर लायटीच्या खात्याचो 6% वीज टॅरिफ वाडीक JRC कडेन प्रस्ताव. JRCची भौशीक सुनावणी जाली.
By reducing the non-tariff income, the net revenue what is required for the state of Goa is 2,734.25 crores. The net ARR what we require for the year 23-24 is 2,734.25 crores. If we continue the same tariff what is there for this year, we will get 2,250.60 crores. That means the gap with the existing tariff is 483.65 crores. We have proposed 6% hike. Overall is 6% hike. But if you see the hike for different categories, for different slab is different. But the overall average figure is 6%. By introducing a hike of 6%, we are going to get additional revenue of 134 crores, 134.96, almost 135 crores additional revenue. In spite of increasing 6% overall tariff, still we will have a gap of 348.69 crores. That is going to be provided through budgetary support through Government of Goa.
सध्याच्या टॅरिफा प्रमाण सरकाराक पावराचेर 2,230.60 कोटी येणावळ. येणावळीत 483.65 कोटींचो फरक उरता. टॅरिफ 6% वाडल्यार खात्याक आनीक 135 कोटी येतले. तरी 2,734.25 कोटीच्या ARR प्रमाण 348.69 कोटींचो फरक उरता. हे 348.69 कोटी अर्थसंकल्पीय तरतुदींतल्यान घेवपाचो वीज खात्याचो प्लान. वीज पुरवणेंतलें गळटेचें लुकसाण देंवन 8.45% पावला. गिरायक, संस्था, उद्देग, राजकीय विरोधकय आयोगा मुखार पावले. सरकार आनी खात्याच्या गैरव्यवस्थापनाचें वजें लोकांचेर कित्याक काय म्हण विरोधकांचो आर्ग्युमेंट.
Basically, inefficiency of the department of the government should not burden the common man. This is a very basic element. The overall 6% hike that is proposed, I think this government can afford this 6% hike by giving subsidy. They have spent 33,000 they are able to spend for a swearing in ceremony. Per minute they can spend 33 lakhs. Why can't they absorb this 6% hike?
We also demand that the figures put up by Electricity Department should be vetted by an independent authority. An independent authority should vet these figures because they have not audited the accounts, nothing. So that justification for the both tariff hike and budgetary support is checked for authenticity.
टॅरिफ वाडोवचे न्ही म्हूण MRF मागता. कोविडाक उद्देग हाल्ले. अजून परिस्थिती जाग्यार आयिल्ली ना. टॅरिफ वाडोव नाका म्हणून GCCI मागता.
Altogether, 2022-23, we have paid 11 crore rupees additional. I think, if possible, this proposed hike EDG has to be dropped.
Increase in tariff for agriculture allied activities, HT and LT, should be brought on par with the increase in tariff for agriculture for pump sets and all. There are two different categories. We recommend that the increase, if at all, should be uniform.
जाळवणदारांनी दिल्ल्यो हरकती आनी सुचोवणेचेर विचार करून आयोग खंय टॅरिफ थारायतना समतोल हाडपाचो यत्न करतले.
We have heard all the consumers and being represented through different bodies also. We have heard the suggestions. Both the written as well as oral submissions have been noted by JRC. We are going to consider and try to balance this stakeholder interest while fixing the tariff.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकिक शिलकार आणि साहिल मांद्रेकर.